Hello, today we'll learn how to set a heavy-duty knife blade for a nice clean cut. After inserting the cylinders and the blade into the housing and tightening all the bolts, we turn it over, we pull the blade out into its extended position. We take the die, we align it, get the screws started, but do not tighten them. We'll shift the knife over into this position. We apply just a little bit of pressure here on the housing and this way on the die to give the blade just a little bit of clearance there. At the same time, we apply just a little bit of pressure down on the die and snug the bolts. 1 and 2. Now we go back to 1 and we apply a considerable amount of pressure. Same thing with the second bolt. Now we'll give it a try. Be very careful when applying pressure to the knife. It is sharp. It will cut you. Keep your hands clear of the blade area when applying pressure. Clear. I'll shift the knife over into the open position. Nice movement. Nice movement. We're going to try a cut. We insert a pouch. Again, be very careful and try to cut. Nice clean cut. We'll try another. Also a nice clean cut. At this point, your knife is set and ready to be installed on the machine. Have a great day.